gallant patriot boys a last and fond adieu. In early age, our Irish boys, we are bound to part with you. It breaks our hearts, indeed it does, as everybody knows. And adieu to you, McNamara and Shanahan of Dugmore. 'Twas early, dark and evil days to unite our native land. At every meeting you were there for to lend a helping hand. With voice and pen you staggered on, you fought with heart and sword. We have lost two loving Irish boys, brave boys, you are no more. It was the fair day of Doonbeg, those two boys marched along unto the village of a new town, where they went to seek a home. They had not long arrived there, and hardly gone asleep, when they heard the tramp of black and tans marching through Rady Street. 'Twas there our boys were captured, and that without delay, and carried off by black and tans at the dawning of the day. First they brought them to Kilrush, and those words to them did say, let us know the names of your comrades, and you both may have your way. They removed them on to Ennis, and they tortured them on the way, and they shot our captain McNamara, and beside him Shanahan lay. At this the news went steadily round, that our West Clare boys were laid low, and they met their death at Ennis, where they got their deadly blow. In Doonbeg graves they were laid to rest that holy Christmas day. And for the souls of those brave boys, each one of you should pray.